Okay, so we're changing a wheel bearing on a 2010 GMC Savannah. Start by removing the tire, the tie rod, and these two caliper bolts on the back. I believe it's either a 21 millimeter or a 22. Once you remove that, make sure you secure it so it doesn't damage your brake line. Remove that rotor, get it off of there. Once you do, you hear that? That's no good. Go ahead and remove this wheel speed sensor. That's getting replaced as well, so if you end up damaging it, just know you will have to replace it. Go ahead and remove these four bolts on the back of the wheel hub. It's a 15 millimeter bleed, and then bang it out. Once you do, you're good to go. Good job.